Okay, root canals. You say they're not as bad as what people think.
No, Randy. Nowadays, usually patients don't like root canals, and they come in typically with pain. Nowadays, the anesthesia that we use gets you numb instantly. Even a difficult root canals, as a specialist doing this, anywhere from half an hour to 45 minutes, we're done.
So it doesn't hurt. I mean, really. I mean, they don't complain about pain.
No, most of my patients do not complain about pain.
Then why in the news do you always see, or different things, you always, even in movies, it's like, oh, a root canal.
I don't know, Randy.
So that's just a rumor.
I think it's just a rumor. If you go to a competent, proficient specialist, we don't have those issues.
I mean, because you do these all day long for 25 years. Is that right?
Yes, I can do them in my sleep.
You can do them in your sleep. So have they gotten better over the years? Like 20 years ago, was there more discomfort than there is today?
Well, the technology is certainly better. There are more efficient tools that we use. We have the microscope. I personally use the endoscope in my practice. We have rotary files. Everything that is out there is designed to make the procedure much more efficient than the old days. But I wasn't there in the old days, so I don't know.